Yeah, you always start at zero with everything. Everything start at zero. You just gotta be little by little. Y'all gotta put in the work. That's all. It just take hours. It take time. It take patience to do something. Y'all want to be rich black men. Rich black men take work. It ain't easy to be a rich black man. So don't think it's gonna be easy.
How long you been doing what you do?
I've been doing it for like 20 years. Feel like almost 30. I went from drawing to painting to doing graffiti to doing videos to editing those videos. All that stuff is self-taught. Ain't nobody teach me how to do nothing. I mean, they taught me a little bit, but I'm self-taught. Like the thing is this, now that y'all got Google and YouTube, being a poor black man is not an excuse no more. You gotta look up how to get this money, how to get it now, right now. At 11 years old, set up a PayPal account and get some money coming into your PayPal account right now. What y'all gonna do with the money? He's asking me about my camera and all that stuff. Y'all gonna buy cameras and computers and all of that stuff with the money that y'all make so y'all can keep making more money. That makes sense? I hate to be money motivated and driven all the time, but I mean, yeah. I know y'all don't hear it. Y'all get yelled at about y'all grades and all that stuff.
If you was 11, what would you be doing with all the social media right now?
I would be showcasing my talents and I would be inboxing everybody and their mama to show all the stuff that I do. I just went to an event. I'm gonna show the video soon. They was drawing on shoes. They was drawing on shoes at the Cavs arena last night. They was drawing on shoes and the winner won $1,000 and all kind of stuff. Y'all wanna see it?
Yeah. No, we can see it tomorrow.
You wanna see it? He's not interested.
He don't wanna see that until tomorrow. Hey.
Raindrops running down my window. It's the soundtrack to the life that I'm involved. Faced with all these problems I can't resolve, but I'm the backbone of the fam. These circumstances turn me to a man, yeah. Out here on the corner, yeah. At the man that cut my father, ain't no love, we just heartless round here. We ain't running from no karma around here, yeah, yeah. Cold nights, up in this high rise. At the cell dark, at the cell light. At the building with my crew to get my door right. At the put in work with my low lives. But this ain't the life that we chose. It's just how the thing goes, yeah. May the rain pour on my soul. Let it fall, let it flow, yeah, yeah. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. Let it pour down so they can feel my pain. Really out here in the field, it ain't no game.